Hello, there is an important context regarding Cowrywise savings plans and starch. Cowrywise does not have any starch plan. What they have is the savings and the starch. So you have a locked savings plan, probably your regular savings, life goals, circles. All of these plans cannot be broken. They cannot be cancelled or withdrawn early before their set maturity date. The reason being that is Cowrywise strictly enforces this to maintain financial discipline. That is for your savings plans. But for your starch is your in-app wallet in Cowrywise where your funds go after your plan matures or when you transfer money into the app. So the only thing you can do is to delete a savings plan you already had. But for that to be possible, you can only delete an active plan if your balance is zero. After you have withdrawn all of your money to your starch, then you can delete a savings plan. If you want to delete a savings plan, you go to the save tab. So under your save plans, so you pick whichever one you have, either the rainy days, the general, the circle, the onion, whichever one. Then you tap on it and you see three dots at the top right corner. Then you select the delete plan. After that, you can delete your save plan, but there is no Cowrywise Stash plan on the app. Thank you very much.